and there's already a group of girls planning on fighting/jumping me. So basically yesterday I had a very eventful and bad day. So I come home to decompress and just like forget about the day, just like have some me time. And then my phone starts blowing up and it's a bunch of people telling me that a group of girls want to fight me. And you're probably like, Kayla, you obviously did something horrible for them to want to fight you. It's obviously your fault. No, I'm gonna tell you straight up the reason they want to fight me. Because a couple days ago, I posted a TikTok talking about our school rules that my teacher told me, that my teacher read from the handbook that the school gives you. And the teachers that this group of girls have didn't tell them the same rules that were at the school. So they said that I'm lying and that I'm trying to make the school look like a bad place. So now they want to jump me. Yeah.